this place is peaceful. You can feel the calmness and at the same time that kind of adventure and in one word I would describe this as mesmerizing.
It was so thrilling, so exciting seeing those animals, seeing the fresh kills and those animals hunting. It was so exciting, and I realized that, that was a very different feel.
Maasai Mara was a brilliant experience for us. The landscape was something that we have never seen before. We had visited quite a few jungles in India for safaris, but the landscape was completely different. The savanna grasslands and the vast fields that you see in this jungle the beauty is unmatched, and it is a mesmerizing experience which has to be experienced and cannot be described in words.
I always wanted to do this. This was in plan for maybe 8 to 10 years now. Luckily, one of my friends did this trip with you for 3 years back, and he immediately suggested to me, and after that I required nothing. It's just that COVID struck after that, so as soon as COVID restrictions went away, we were on for it.
Munib saw about this trip and about Shashank Birla on Instagram, and he immediately contacted me. He told me about this trip. I told Munib, chalo, let's plan it and let's go for it. In fact, me and him were planning a safari since a very long time, which couldn't happen in India. And ऐसे हो गया कि Maasai Mara आया और fortunately everything came out, and we planned it and we went ahead with the plan.
One we saw was the fresh kill of the zebra by the lion. That recent kill and that lion pulling that zebra into that bush. So that was very exciting to see.
Fortunate enough to get a river crossing of the zebra. And one fortunate part was, we also saw a river crossing done by the elephants, a herd of elephants. That was again the best part.
We saw a lot of antelopes like the grand gazelle and the Thompson gazelles, the toki and wildebeest, and huge herds of wildebeest and zebras. We saw many birds. We saw the big cats, the leopard, which is a rare sighting in the Mara. We saw it twice with Shashank.
Seeing a calf, a cave wolf, a cave buffalo calf in a creek stuck, and the mother trying to guide it to come out. Now that was a good 20-30 minute drama that we saw, and finally the best part was that the mother finally got down into the creek and the calf and the mother successfully came out. This was an incident I'll remember for life, I think, having seen it live before me, and it was completely unanticipated.
So we saw that the cheetah slowly went and took a position, and we waited there for a good half an hour, 25 minutes to half an hour. And as soon as it got an opportunity, it just sprang up, ran towards the Thompson gazelle's herd. Though it was an unsuccessful attempt, it could not hunt successfully, but it was something, an experience which I will always remember, and it was something that will always stay with me because it was an amazing experience to experience an encounter in wildlife of this nature.
we got to see the close interaction with a lioness, which dragged a wildebeest in the bush. And you should you should actually see it to believe it.
The location of the safari camp was wonderful. It was just very close to the gate. More importantly, we got good food and the warmth of the people were there. They were always there with a smile, trying to provide the best care for us.
Encroc was a very comfortable stay, a comfortable hotel, good staff, good service, and it was very much close to the nature. The tents were at a distance, and we could hear zebras during the night and wildebeest passing through our tents, but it was safe as well.
Henry was the best tour guide we could have. He used to spot the animals so fast, and he used to get us to the best of the locations so quickly, so that we could get the best sites. So Henry was one of the best tour guides we could have.
The experience with Shashank was very good. He guided on each and everything what we spotted, right from what is that animal called, probably, what are the types of those same animals. There can be multiple types and all. And of course, I have been following Shashank for quite a long time. And after this kind of experience, in fact, when we were having a lunch and dinner with him, we were already talking about our next safari, where we should go. And looking forward to, going to a safari soon with Shashank.
Well, what to say about Shashank? He does this out of passion. So you can't match someone who's doing thing out of passion. So his passion towards wildlife is unmatched, and we never felt that we are with a tour operator. Shashank was more like a friend who accompanied us during the trip and who answered all our questions, all our queries patiently, and overall 7 stars to Shashank.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.